In this Austrian German tutorial, we are learning how to say Happy Easter in Standard German and in Austrian German. Besides, we will learn some of the most important words for the time around Easter in Austrian German. In this Austrian German tutorial, we focus on Easter in Austria and take a look at some of the most important words for celebrating Easter in this country. The first word of our Easter special is KARWOCHE. This is the German word for Holy Week. Using Austrian accent and dialect, the term KARWOCHE may sound like KARWOCHEN. One of the first crucial days around Easter is Palmsonntag. If you know the English word, you will definitely recognize that this means Palm Sunday. On this day, young people go to church with a Palmbuschen in their hands and get them blessed. A Palmbuschen consists of various branches and twigs of various Austrian and alpine trees and fruits. Ostersonntag is the German word for Easter Sunday, when Christians celebrate the resurrection of Jesus. On this day, most Austrians give away the so-called Ostereier. Ostereier, Osterohr, can be translated as Easter eggs, and they can be real eggs or made of chocolate. In this context, you may come across the word Eierpecken, which could be translated as egg boxing. Additionally, the Osterhase, or with accent Osterhose, the Easter rabbit, brings the Easter eggs and other presents to the children. For breakfast or during the coffee break, Austrians love eating the Osterstriezel, which is a delicious pastry with yeast. Of course, we shouldn't forget to mention how to say Happy Easter in Austrian German. The phrase for Happy Easter is Frohe Ostern. Frohe Ostern. In a more religious context, you can also use Frohe und gesegnete Ostern. So thanks a lot for watching and Happy Easter. Frohe Ostern.